Egyptian jewelry is rare, right? We have created 14 unique handmade jewels, 7 sets of rings and pendants. Emphasize your personality, express yourself, and stand out by wearing accessories. Our creator is fond of the riches of ancient cultures. He wanted to present the world with a new look at antiquity. 6 years of effort, and it happened. Now we will show the process of jewelry creating. First, we draw sketches to see how the jewelry will look. It takes a lot of experience and a unique design vision to sketch a highly sought-after piece of jewelry. Then the designer makes a 3D model to get 3-dimensional jewelry. We print the model on a 3D printer. Go ahead. And now we need to melt the metal and pour it into a special mold. The metal needs to cool down before jewelers start processing. We made a tree from different pieces of jewels, and now we need to detach them. Let's take the tools and cut off the excess pieces of metal. Now we're soldering several parts of the jewelry to make it one piece and put it in water to cool. A couple of minutes and we're grinding the pendant to give it a smooth shape. Next, we need to blacken the jewelry and grind it again so that all of the details are clearly visible. After all, we polish the jewelry to make it shine and remove the dust with ultrasound. The last thing that remains to do is encrust gems so that the jewelry looks amazing. Just look how this gem glistens. Awesome! Making jewelry is a difficult and time-consuming job, isn't it? It's much easier to buy ready-made, and you will agree with us on this. Show who you really are. Be yourself. Be open to the world. With Egyptian jewelry, the world will open to you. Support our project. Place an order for ring, pendant, or set.